Slovenia with possession. Three goes up. It's good to go. Slovenia start with a bang. Blatsic. Doncic. One-on-one, the pump fake. Lets off the shot anyway. Defender didn't bite. Doncic. Popovic. Pull up to the triple. It's good to go. Better Popovic for three. Doncic, Morgan going to work again. Dimes. Perry, bounce pass, drive, easy finish. Now, Popovic opposite side of the floor. Foul is called and one. And Doncic makes that happen. Rising for the triple. Fight for the rebound inside, underneath the rack. It's good to go. And a reply immediately. One of the leading scorers. Doncic makes the first. Shot is way off, but Doncic, offensive rebound, and one play again. Luka Magic staring at the hit. They just got to deal with this, man. Luka Doncic is. But of course, he started bulletless volley. Some spells with the City Bulls and Chicago. What a pass from Luka Doncic! Laser vision. His stats already racking up. An immediate reply from Montenegro. He wants one-on-one here. Steps back for three. Oh, money! Ice cold, Ivanovic! Don't do him like that. And one play. It's an easy 2 points for Giga Dimac. Make that. Three comes up from Dimac. Oh, Luka. In Ljubljana. Montenegro now trailing by. Shot goes up, knocked down, click. Destroy the defender. Now one-on-one. Hands it off. Goodness. Morgan all alone. Showtime. Two hands. Blatsic. Easy money for Radovic, and he'll head to the break. Prevelic. Two for two for Mihailovic. You know, teams aren't necessarily giving it at all as Luka Doncic goes up there and it's tipped back in. Forward. Tries to find Vucevic inside, but Perry claims the offensive. Oh, stopping on the dime. Brovac strings. Doncic to the corner. Three ball. Goes up. It's money. Vucevic. No look. Skip to the corner. Driving on the baseline. Tough play. And one great finish. Fine margins as Doncic completes the three-point play. Doncic and one. It's so easy for him. He's taking Montenegro roster. Getting ESPN live here on courtside 1891. Oh, big jam down the other side of the floor. The camera's almost missed it. It's the final. It's chopping it up. Finding some room for the step back three. You can't give him that. They got away lucky there, but Mike Toe. Tie laces. He was looking for the foul again, and an easy pass inside, and an easy finish from Montenegro. Ivanovic moves the ball well, and that's a bank three. Oh, on the buzzer, nearly there it goes, the buzzer. Luka Doncic get over in that very moment. Perry kicks it, left-hand side, three rattles in. Come on, Perry. He finds a beautiful pass along the baseline. Strong drive, but once again way off target. And Vucevic not having a great scoring night. Vucevic, as you can see there, 1 for 5 from 2-point territory. Another kick to the corner, and the three's good this time. Inside Morgan. He goes to the left hand, and connection is going to be vital for this Slovenian team. Nice pass from Perry again. Driving baseline, and one. Nice pass across there. Prepelic again for three. Morgan sets the down screen. Oh, wow. Turning the corner off. Doncic off the dribble. Inside hand finish off the glass. Corner three. It's money. He's got a step back in him. Pump fake. Can he make it this time? No, he can't. He gets his own rebound, no, and the finish is good. So that will be a free throw. The possession will go back. Now Slovenia on the fast break. 3v2 situation. Luka Doncic just goes by himself. And an interception now. On the drive. Lays it in with his left. It's good to go. Bounce pass to Luka. Beautiful bounce pass. And this is sloppy from Montenegro. Doncic with another assist to his name as he gets the... Can Montenegro respond? That's great ball movement to find the open three. Back to basket. Skipped across again. It's money again. Extra second. Needs to get his chest central to the player for him to get away. Montenegro, good on. Remember, purchase the World Cup bundle to see more basketball this summer. 92 World Cup games as the three goes up. It's good to go again. Pick roll action, looking baseline, and there's the two-handed flush to his name. Triple-double watch, fans out there. Can add Doncic to the list as the three goes up. Rip through, drive, nice pass to Radoncic, who finishes in the rotation. Vucevic, feet set, Radoncic inside, great ball. They are under 50% from two-point territory. There's another three, it will go this time. Perry. Vucevic. He'll knock down a three in response. Three-point game. Doncic. Oh, D-Metch goes to the screen. Vucevic comes up with a rebound. Perry calling for the ball because there's that man again. Ball into play. Screen high up in the corner of the half court. Three is dropped in. Finally, he sees the ball. Mihailovic on the line. From downtown in this game. 2. Doncic, step back, money. To get the long 2. Doncic 1-on-1 with Perry, double team, kicks it out. Ball rotation, 3 ball. It's money now for Slovenia once again. They're pulling away. It's the player that can't finish it off as Perry gets through. Spin to the rack for Vucevic. Out for the 3. Mihailovic again. On fire from behind the arc he is. Doncic, he's going to reply. Yes, he'll reply just like that. Vucevic on the clock. 3-point game. Ball inside. Vucevic, he wants to have a go at Doncic. And there's the response. Needs to make these. First is good. And he does get it right. Let's see how... First is good. To make it really tough for Montenegro. And just about...
Kung gusto nyo updated kayo sa mundo ng basketball, subscribe to my channel, JB Sports. God bless.